Hi, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 now, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's open our box. This is eco-friendly box, as you can see. And first thing which we can see, that's the protective clear case. Also you can find here the USB Type-C cable and the charger brick, the Motorola original charger brick with all of the specs here. So also let's check this paper box, and inside of this box we can find the SIM eject tool and some paperwork like the quick start guide, safety guide and the warranty card. So that's it, that's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.